Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use 24-hour format on Samsung Galaxy phones. So to do that, just go to settings and here go down and tap on general management. Here we have date and time, and here in the bottom we have use 24-hour format. And to enable this feature, just tap here, and now as you can see, I have the hour now in 24-hour format. Now it's 13, and if you put back, I have 1 p.m. Let's do it again. So now it's 1 p.m. and now it's 14. So it is very easy. Also the hour appears here in the top. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.